friends, I'm Rasna. Welcome to Rasna Bakes e-learning. Let's create some fabulous cakes together. Today we are doing a Rainbow Dash My Little Pony cake. These are some cutters I have used. We start with the umbrellas. Take blue fondant, cut it round and slice it 3/4 and shape it as shown. Now make the handle and do the detailings to make it look real. Make it in many other rainbow colors. Next, we make the bow using the light pink fondant as shown. Now we make the cloud using the cloud cutter. Using the water drop cutter, cut rainbow colors as shown and assemble them. Our rainbow drop cloud is ready. Now we make the star of our cake, the Rainbow Dash. We start with the legs, followed by the body and the face. The parts of the blue Pegasus is all ready and kept aside to dry up. Cut out the number using the number cutter. Cut out the name using the alphabet cutter. Now make the rainbow mane of the pony and assemble the Rainbow Dash as shown. Coming back to the rainbow raindrop cloud, make the bow, eyes and smile. Paint out the birthday message using the edible black gel color. This is a whipped cream based cake. Rope out pink fondant and place it around the cake. Now put the bow. Place the other elements on the cake. Our Rainbow Dash My Little Pony cake is now ready.